Another filming today. What's that? I actually don't know. It's through the agent, never tell. It's supposed to be some kind of advertisement, I guess. Yeah, cool. Took my sunglasses, it rained. Took my book, yeah. As I said, I have no idea what we're gonna film, but I will wear a suit. My taxi is almost here, I think. Just arrived and I had a crazy taxi driver. He was fighting for his life, really. There was quite a few times when he was speeding up to like 100 kilometers per hour, which is actually not allowed on most of the road. I thought I will read in the car, but I would definitely throw up if I would try. Well, I came out a bit early. Oh, yeah. Alright, so I got to wait for them. It's like an office building and the guy is late because of the rain and I came too early. Yeah. Wow. Wow. This is like an art space, a local. Yeah, it's huge. Good luck. Wow, it's so cool. It's like local art students coming here to practice. Pretty sick. So we're gonna film the advertisement for Aston Martin here. Hell yeah, look at this beast. Oh man, DB12. So yeah, already on the back from the shooting. It was quite interesting, I think, because so he said, oh, we will film the Aston Martin. So the car arrived, like brand new Aston Martin, you know, without numbers even. But the guy who was driving it looked a bit nervous. And now I'm going back home because a lot of stuff did not finished. I didn't go to my studio since last week because I was in Yan from Monday to Wednesday, and I'm alone with Sophia. She finished at 5. Now it's like almost 2. Yep. Came back home. My wife asked me to help me with something, but now she said, oh, it might not happen today. And my plan was originally to come back home, leave the suit, take the laptop, go to the studio, do some work there, then pick up my daughter, go back home, do some homework, do some work. But now it's like, oh well, I'm not sure when I need your help, maybe not today, but can you wait a little bit? And I'm like, okay, I'll make a coffee. It's 3 p.m. right now, and I apologize to all the Italian people who seeing me drinking milk coffee afternoon. I'm really sorry, but I'm in China. So I think it was pretty funny, the Aston Martin thing, and very typical story. So, middle person, my agent, didn't know at all what will happen there. Then there was another guy who brought me to shooting who didn't do anything at the shooting as well. So which means he's probably also kind of involved in this in a weird way. Who also didn't know what we're gonna shoot. I asked him, he said, oh, something about car. And then when they sent him my lines, he saw like, oh, it's Aston Martin. They sent the lines to me, the guy who was driving me to the filming place, in Chinese, and I was like, oh shit, Chinese. Okay, let me take a look. Yeah, it was fairly simple. I knew most of the characters. I quickly checked which I didn't know, and I started to memorize it because I wanted to make it, very seamless. So we arrived to this weird garage, wardrobe, art space, wherever, in the middle of nowhere, and production company, filming crew already there. I'm an actor there. Last piece, the car. It arrives, a guy inside, and they started to shoot. Like the guy who drove the car, he was a second actor, and they were trying to copy the scene from James Bond. They knew what they're doing, except for the guy who was a second actor, who was like in the place of James Bond. It felt like he was a bit nervous. Normal guy, he's not an actor. I didn't know who he is. We started filming, and there is like a scene. He's walking in front of me. I'm following him, and I'm saying, this is new Aston Martin BM12. And the whole time before the shooting I was practicing, and at the time of the filming I wasn't ready, but I was almost there. When we started, I started to say my lines, and the guy is walking, the second actor walking in front of me. He turns to me like, huh? And the cameraman is also like, what? And I was like, oh shit, like, did I say something wrong? Like, did they memorize it in the wrong way? And they're like, no, you're supposed to speak English. And I'm like, what? Really? But you didn't send me, like, where are the English lines? And they don't know English lines, the Chinese lines. You have to translate them. You have to translate them and say that in English. I was like, really? So what I had to do is I had to, basically camera in front of me, ready to shoot, and everybody looking at me. And I'm like, okay, let me try to quickly translate it into English and make it cool. And then, like, even before I had time to kind of, repeat it a few times and memorize it really well, we already started filming. But that was the most funny thing. The most funny thing, the second guy said I didn't know who he was. He's the owner of the car, the brand new car, which doesn't even have number plate yet. He just bought it, and he wanted to make a video for himself of him kind of, I don't know, celebrating that he owns this fancy car now. So it's kind of interesting because he hired professional people to film it, even with foreign actor and stuff like that. Yeah, some people know how to live good life and drive nice cars. Yeah, so the main problem is that it's 3:30 already. I have to pick up Sophia at 5. And I need to go to the studio. Something important arrived today. And I also have to get her banana. That's my plan. And if my app is not lying to me, there is one more issue. Yeah, my app was right. 46. Risky. something just happened here. It's important. 6102997. Oh.
已全部取出。
Let's go. Stuff. I hope this is not true. It says about an hour. I don't have an hour. Let me show you what I got. So what happened? I went to Jan for filming. My lovely vlogging tripod just broke. Like it looked kind of like this. This is just a tripod. It's not heavy, but it's bulky and it's not very functional. You know, in a wild environment. I had one with like flexible legs, tilting head, and I thought it's kind of good, but we were in a noodle shop and my camera was standing on this tripod and I just took it. Like first I took it like this. And somehow I realized that one leg is not attached to it anymore, it just fell out. I was like, you know, like, I mean, I'm very lucky that it did not happen when it was standing, that it happened when I took it. And I didn't grab that leg, because otherwise camera would fall. Didn't take me a long time to just realize that this is not good and it should never happen again. Like it was 60 Kwai tripod by Ulanzi. I used it for a long time, to be fair, and worked perfectly. Flexible legs, they worked. But that place, like there is a plastic instead of metal, so it just crashed. And I used that tripod to mount my camera on the edge of a balcony a week ago. Man, this is terrible. So here I am investing in something that's called PGY Tech. Alright, so press here, press here. So what is it? It's just a small, it's fairly small, I got to say, yeah. It's smaller than the one that I had. Vlogging tripod. Yeah, it's quite low. I'm still not sure if this is gonna work well for me. What I like about this thing, it's very light. It's supposed to be durable. There is no weird flexible parts. You can mount your camera here, or you can mount this thing. There's a very small phone holder. Well, I thought it's metal. It's not really. Can you hear it? I mean, this thing is like 70 kwais, like $10 for just this small holder that... Okay, yeah. And your phone should go inside. It's foldable and it fits inside its leg. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah. Oh yeah, it fits very well. It sits there. Yep. It's really simple. It's a bit too simple for its price. But time will show how good it is. I don't have enough time to buy banana. Plan B. Candy. Let's go. See? What? Hey. Hey. Whew. So it's dead. Okay, 52, we're good. Go. Ej, tak
Cić. Ja też na magłaj teraz.
Dobra, получилось. What's up?
Yes, time to go back home. Bye bye. And now just.
Okay, it's been already quite a good few hours of quality parenting. I'm sure about it. Vlog is finished for today. Till next time. Goodbye.
Bye bye, everyone.
Yeah. Wow.